sending chi from your palm. So just follow along with me. I will do this for 5 minutes. It will help you to activate your chi and send your chi out from your palm. Just follow along with me. Ready? First, massage your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure they're nice and warm and just bounce. Yes, bounce with me. That's it. And try your best to follow as long as you can. 10 seconds. 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. That's 1 minute. Keep on going. Just bounce forward. Yes, it. Yes, it. Yes. 10. 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. That's 2 minutes. Breathe into your nose and out your mouth. 10. 20. No. Keep going. Keep going. 30. 40. Good. Breathe into your nose. Come on, you can do it. 30. 40. 50. 60. That's 3 minutes. Good job. Keep on going. Keep on going. Breathe into your nose and out your mouth. 10. 20. 30. Good. Breathe in to your nose and out your mouth. 40. 50. Come on, keep on going. 60. Good job. Last 1 minute. And ready to go for it. And push it out, push it out. Yeah, push it out. Yeah, yeah. Push, push, push. 10. Good. 20. Really? Follow me. Yeah. Good job. 40. Sending energy out. Sending your chi out. 20. Good job. 30. Breathe into your nose and out your mouth. 40. Good job. 50. Come on. Come on. Breathe into your nose. A bit stronger. Faster. Push out. Push, push, push. Yes. Send the energy out. Send the chi out. Good job. 5 more seconds. Go, go, go. 5, 4, 3. Come on. 2, 1. Stop. Extend your hand, hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe into your nose, out through your mouth, and slowly lower your hand nice and slow. Yes, it's slowly. And relax.